Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your CareCredit account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in CareCredit, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as carecredit.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And now we are in the official website of CareCredit. Now to log in, hover your mouse over this login, which is on the top right of the screen. Then you will have two options, consumer login or provider login. So tap on one based off your account. And here you need to provide your login credentials so that you can log into your account. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this show text to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. You can also check this box that says remember username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can reset it by tapping on this text that says I forgot my username or password. If you don't have account in CareCredit, you can create one by tapping on this text that says register. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.